Thank you very much for the Christmas present, son.
Oi.
There, had a hair all week. Một áo đây, một đứa đi Christmas with tàu phô. Đồ phải đi tàu không? Đấy. Một áo đây.
Hello.
Oh, thank you, Gus. Here's my present from Gus. Thank you, Gus. Follow me now.
This is something new for Erick Xmas. Hifiulu. Usually for the young boys, but
$10 a pop.
$10 a pop. He's the master cutter, Jordan.
$10 one box. Jordan Lagitupu. Oh, Stevenson's here. Oh, shit.
Sharp.
Wow.
Hey guys, I'm at the Erick Xmas and I'm getting ready to get a fade. Here's the product. You just look at your haircut. Yeah, you can see yourself. It's recording.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how your hair looks.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Not bad, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now you just need the aftershave.
Just this is Gussie's next.
Hey, sop it up. Merry Christmas.
He's getting a cut like me.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
We need some manure in here.
Yeah, we need some manure.
Some Egyptians.
Gus wants some manure, eh?
Yeah. See, look. We need to inject it in here.
Christian's alright. His hairline's good.
Mine's alright. Alright.
Yeah.
I actually wish I had a little bit of a thing going on here. So that people can call me Jason Statham.
Here's the the after. Shee! Where's that manure from?
From the Niue manure.
Man. How do you feel now, Gus? With
I feel like a young gentleman. Eh? So my wife is gonna be angry now.
what days you available?
Thanks to Jordan. Thank you, Jordan. Nice. No more. You don't need a manure now. So, I feel like a 19-year-old. Merry Christmas.
Here we have the lunch before everyone eats. Salad. This curry is the mild curry. This one is the spicy curry. I'm sure it's under there. And we have some. What's in here? Who knows? This is the Thai dish. Khao mu. I'll go up and record that.
Here goes food. How old are you today, Mahigo? 8. Okay, let's bless Hugo and